Hello, this is Ajit Dusane again on your favorite Lollipop TV. So you have got a senior most personality of the University of Kailaslaudon. There is nothing but Santosh Engineering. So we'd like to ask you, Santosh, so how do you feel about this event of India Against Corruption?
मुझे ये गर्व हो रहा है कि हम सब इधर आके इंडिया अगेंस्ट करप्शन कैंपेन कर रहे हैं। पर मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि हम किसी एक आदमी के तरफ से नहीं आए, ऐसा कि हम अन्ना हज़ारे को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, हम किसी एक आदमी को नहीं सपोर्ट, ऐसा नहीं कि हम एक आदमी के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, लाइक जो कर रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं जा रहे हैं। हम बोल रहे हैं कि हम अगेंस्ट करप्शन आए इधर। whoever, everyone, each and every person, जो लोग इंडिया में अभी करप्शन के अगेंस्ट चल रहे हैं, हम उन सब का सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। और हम इधर जर्मनी में रह के भी ये कर रहे हैं। ये हम बोलना चाहते हैं कि हम भी दिल में इंडियन ही रहे हम, और इंडिया में जो भी होता है हमको उसको सपोर्ट करना है। इसी वजह से हम इधर आके आज अगेंस्ट करप्शन के लिए आए हैं। बस इतना बोलना चाहता हूं।
ओके, आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा। सो अपने साथ अब हमारे दूसरे गेस्ट है जो कि विकास पाटिल। सो विकास पाटिल is somewhere else. Okay, so we have another guest, Subramania Swamy. So what do you feel, Subramania Swamy? How do you feel about this event?
Yeah, I extend my support for those who are supporting for anti-corruption. But my point is that it's not only just who are getting the bribe. So the people should be educated. So those who are giving the bribe, even they should have some social responsibility. So even they should get a proper education, and they should have the proper documentation, so that even they need not go and bribe anyone and get any shortcut method, so that they can get their work done. So the proper education should be there in both those who takes the bribe as well as those who gives the bribe.
That's nice. That's a nice thought given by Subramania Swamy. So you have another guest. So we'd like to have.
Hi. One thing what I would like to bring out here is a farmer earns his entire lifetime to earn 1 lakh, and a typical software engineer earns his entire life to earn 1 crore. And a typical politician earns just in 1 year or even 6 months to earn 1 crore or even more than that. And what are they going to do? What are the steps that the current government is taking for who is taking kind of a bribe and earning crores and doing kind of a dhoka? The current Lokpal bill, what it does is it takes measures so that whatever the illegal money that they have taken, so that they can take it back. So this is what the good thing about Lokpal bill. And one more thing, what it says that in every state there should be a kind of a Lokayukta that should be established. And why is the government against it? I don't see a single celebrity coming forward, neither one of the top celebrities. It could have been a very good motive if one of the top celebrities would have come forward and stood against this. This is the point where the celebrities have to take role, so that there will be a role model of many other young generations. So this is what I'd like to appeal, even the big celebrities and even different government officials also to take part in this and make this a big success.
That's nice. So we have seen a lot of response we have got from the students of University of Kailaslaudon. So that's it from the University of Kailaslaudon. Cameraman Satyan and Satish with Ajit Dusane. That's it from Lollipop TV.